Hey everybody, today we are going to talk about asking, asking for things. I ask for things, you ask for things, we all ask for things. Today we are going to talk about asking for help and asking for directions. Let's get started. Look at the screen. This man, where is he at? Where is he at? He is at an airport. Airport. At the airport, we fly planes. This is a plane. He is at an airport. Right now, in this scene, he is at check-in. He is checking in to his flight. Now look here. He asks the person at the desk a question. He asks, "Where is my terminal? Where is my terminal?" And she replies, "This way. This way." Now he knows where his terminal is. He found his terminal. This right here is the word terminal. He is at Terminal A. That is where we get on our plane. He found his terminal because he asked for directions. Next, his plane landed. That's good. Look at this picture. In this picture, he asked this lady, "Where is the bus?" He needs to take a bus to get to his hotel. So he asked, "Where is the bus?" And she says, "It's that way." So he found the bus. This is a bus. He is at a bus stop. Right here it says bus stop. He then asks the driver, excuse me, where is this bus going? Where is this bus going?" And the driver says the bus is heading into town. And he says, "Okay." Now look at the picture. He arrived at his hotel. He asked, excuse me, is my room ready? Is my room ready?" And she goes, yes, your room is ready. And so he enters the room. He enters the room. He found his room. So this is a story of a man who asks for help and finds his way to the airport, on his plane, to the bus, and to the hotel. We can ask for things and get help. That's all for today. Bye.